Hi, welcome to On Info. We need to impart credit for Global NCAP crash test for being the genesis of Indian automotive safety movement released in 2014. The progress started since Global NCAP tested 5 Made in India cars made all to look over automotive safety. Car makers made safety as a key role and car buyers are just in need of safest cars. The car safety is the vast subject to be considered here, which includes everything from start to stop. But the global NCAP ratings are primarily derived from crash results, and the car protection is being seen in the event of car crash. So far, Global NCAP have tested 33 Indian cars as cars sold in country will be assigned by star rating based on their safety performance on the event of crash. And these are the top performances considering the cars which are being currently on sales. Here comes in the 10th place the Hyundai Elite i20. Tested as the part of Global NCAP, Made in India for African campaign was rated 3 star on adult and 2 star on child protection. The base variant with 2 airbags were used for the test. As the line of Global NCAP protocol, it is to be tested most affordable version of car. The i20 offered to show marginal protection on driver chest and knees, and footwell was rated unstable. Front passenger chest and knees showed adequate and marginal protection. The body shell was rated as unstable and it was not capable of withstanding the further loadings. Looking into the child occupants, the i20 was rated low 2-star protection as the car does not offer ISOFIX as standard and the car offers the possibility of disabling passenger airbags as standard. Second gen Maruti Suzuki Ertiga comes in 9th place as it rated 3-star protection for both adult and child occupants. It shows marginal protection on the driver chest and marginal protection for knees of both driver and passenger when it could be impact with dangerous structure behind the dashboard. Footwell area was rated unstable and the body shell was rated unstable as it was not capable to withstand further loadings. The Ertiga rated 3-star for child protection of 3-year-old and 18-month-old child as the car offered standard ISOFIX, losing the points for the poor protection of head and chest of an 18-month-old child seats. Coming in the 8th place, it is the Hyundai Amaze. Tested for Global NCAP safest car for African campaign. The Made in India Amaze is rated 4-star for adult occupants and 1-star for child occupant protection. The Amaze offer marginal protection for both driver and passenger knees. The body shell was rated as stable and it was capable of withstanding further loadings while the footwell area is stable. The disappointing thing in Amaze is that it rated only single star for child occupant protection and thus despite ISOFIX as standards. Excessive movement that caused the child to injury was noted in both the cases of 3 years old and 18 months old child. In the 7th place we have Maruti Vitara Brezza. The Global NCAP rated Brezza as a 4-star for adult and 2-star for child occupant protection. The driver chest and knees as well as passenger knees showed marginal protection. However, the body shell was rated as stable and it's capable of withstanding further loadings. The Brezza isn't quite as impressive in the child occupant protection with just a 2-star protection. The front facing position of 18-month-old child which explains the loss of head points. It showed the poor protection for the head and limited protection for the chest, though with standard ISOFIX. The next 6th place is with Mahindra Marazzo that has rated being best MPV with 4-star for adult and 2-star for child occupant protection tested by Global NCAP so far. The protection offered for driver chest showed marginal protection while passenger chest shows adequate protection. The body shell was rated as stable and it was capable of withstanding further loadings. The Marazzo gets 2-star rating for child as ISOFIX as standards, losing the points for excessive forward movement of 3 years old child seat with impact leaving head injuries. Coming in 5th place we have Volkswagen Polo tested by Global NCAP and rated for 4-star adult and 3-star for child occupant protection. As the driver and passenger chest received adequate protection, the body shell is tough as it is rated stable to withstand further loadings. The Polo rated 3-star for child protection with no ISOFIX standard mounted. The 3-year-old and 18-month-old dummy child seats prevents excessive forward movement during the impact. The Indian car Tata Tigor and Tiago are in the 4th place. The facelifted models are tested by Global NCAP and were rated 4-star for adult and 3-star for child occupant protection, while head and neck protection were found to be good, but the marginal protection are showed to driver chest and knees as well as passenger knees. Footwell area and body shell was rated unstable. The Tatas does not get ISOFIX child seats mounts but was able to prevent excessive forward movement for both 13 years old and 18 months old dummies, was good to score 3-star on child occupant protection. In the third place, we have Tata Nexon, which is the first Indian car with 5-star rated by Global NCAP. The Tata Nexon was originally rated 4-star at the first test, and later in the second test it scored 5-star rating, which is included with side impact test also. For all Nexon units produced as of from December 2018, it provides impressive protection for front occupants and body shell is stable. The Tata Nexon is rated 3-star for child protection with ISOFIX as standards to give good protection for both 3 years old and 18 months old dummy childs. The next top second place comes to another Tata, the all-new Tata Altroz, as rated 5-star for front passenger with adequate and good protection on impact, and also found body shell capable to withstand with more loads while passing the side impact test by Global NCAP. The child occupant protection rated 3-star as ISOFIX are standard fits. However, the backrest of race seats unlatched during the crash results in the point reduction. The topmost first place goes to Mahindra XUV 300. The Global NCAP rated XUV 300 the 5-star for adult and 4-star for child, which is the most highest among the all. The XUV's protection for the front passenger was rated good. With body shell to be stable, the car also meets the requirements of side impact test. The XUV 300 rated 4-star for child occupants as impressive with ISOFIX as standards for both 3 years old and 18-month-old dummy childs, which preserves excessive forward movement and protection offered was good on the crashes. So these are the cars tested by Global NCAP and put it on the top of the list to provide protection, resulting for you to choose the best.